Oops. Turn on the volume. We're live.
We are.
Nah, show me say we're live.
Not yet.
Nope. No. No,
I just got the notification.
No, it is. No. Let me see. There we are.
Oh, that's us.
No way. Somebody will favor way.
Oh.
Look, it's your favorite chocolatey.
It's your favorite vanilla?
Damn. We have twins out here.
We do. Hi, twin.
Twinny.
Twin.
20. they catch you in our foolishness. They catch you in our foolishness. See we there, our foolishness.
Good evening, good evening, kings and queens.
What a guan.
Happy Thursday. Pick up yourself.
What's going on
What's going on in?
Who the panya? Who a watch we? Me not see nobody. Me not see no comment.
Nobody know chat to it.
Nobody know what chat.
I know what chat to it.
Them vex with me because we supposed to
we
come
were supposed
out
to come on
Sunday.
Sunday. We never come on. We're sorry, man. We're sorry.
Yeah.
Don't hold it against
I'm
me.
not for go on. I'm not for go on. So. You know what I mean? I'm not for go on. So. Because we said we didn't come and things happen and we couldn't come. Oh, Lillian said, me here.
Hey, Lillian. Thank you for saying hello. Louise.
What's
Sophia.
up?
Big up. Nadine. Thank you guys for saying hi, Laverne. Bless up yourself.
Them no vex with we.
No.
Oh, Laverne no vex with we.
No.
Good night, Laverne.
Good night.
Yes, how y'all doing out there? How y'all doing?
Living life. Big up
Living
yourself.
life. I hope you're living your best life, honey. You better be. Yes. When you're going to find Mixie. Listen to me. Mixie, catch her afraid. But she, you know, so she go like she bad. And she go like she not afraid of nobody. So she will never come out and admit it to y'all. But you know, so Master Baker have her in a hiding. You understand me? You don't need to tell Mixie, so Master Baker, I'll wait upon her. You understand me? Yes,
Ask her what she afraid of.
What she afraid of. You understand? Yeah.
Next time you see Mixie, ask her what she afraid of.
Tell her, say, me know Master Baker, a kung fu artist and all of that, you know. And can jump on them things. But she not say she a bad girl. So what she a hide for? Huh?
She not say she not afraid of nobody. She say she not afraid of nobody.
Yeah, she always a chat. She not afraid of nobody. Me a bad girl friend. Me not afraid of nobody. I'm a say. She not hiding. She not hiding. Yeah. Just admit it.
Ask Mixie.
Just tell Mixie if you come and apologize to Master Baker for thieving Master Baker makeup. You understand? Just come and apologize. Master Baker, I think she have a heart somewhere in there.
I think so too.
You know, she will forgive her. You know what I mean? But just put on her big gal drawers and can apologize to Master Baker.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
It's all right. It's all right to admit when you're wrong.
All will be well. That's it. You know
It's simple.
Just tell Mixie say, Master Baker will understand. So our makeup is one of a kind and she couldn't resist it and she thieved them. Just admit it. You understand? All will be well. All will be well.
Yeah.
Everything
will be merry.
We're going to skip through the fields. That's it. So what I go on? Everybody good? Or not good? Make me hear now if you're not all right. Up in here. Good. Crystal Hussein, what I go on, Queen? How you doing, Crystal? We haven't been. Oh, Nats Bracelet. Well, go on,
Nats Bracelet. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening. I know we've been scarce, so we've been missing a whole lot on social media. What a go on out in the land of social media. Perline, how you doing? How you doing? Hope all is well. Yes, we just stopped in tonight. That's what she think. But remember what she did to me last time? My time tonight. My time tonight. Yes, my time tonight.
Your time for what?
My time. Alrika. Marlene, how you doing? Yes. Louise. Gillette,
pick up yourself.
Well, go on, Gillette. How you guys doing? How you doing, Queen? How you doing? Yes. So, remember, watch the last live and see what she do to me?
What me do to you?
Come back with vengeance.
What me do to you?
When you come interview me with one heap of question, you tell me, say, next time it can be my time. So, me have sitting for her tonight, yes. Sonia, wagwan. Sophia, Slimatic, wagwan. Oh, thank you, Nats. She said, share the live, guys. Share the live. Share the live. Yes, man. So, me come back with vengeance tonight.
Vengeance. Unnecessary.
Yes. And you take note of the names them in the live tonight. You understand?
Unnecessary.
I have something on my sleeve, yeah?
Unnecessary. I'm not a paper.
Oh, well, remember, use your memory.
Hold on, let me just go run and grab a piece of paper.
Where you run to grab paper for?
You have paper?
No, but you can memorize. Okay. Yes, we are saying hi to everybody. Yes.
Jessica.
I don't know somebody that on the live, so perfect.
Marlene Levy.
Hola. Marlene Doyley. Big up yourself. Yes. So the last time we come out and we show the pocketbooks, them one did left back in the bag what me have over there, sir. Right? So me didn't get for sure, but me we just had it. Yeah? We just had it. But people who remember what she do to me.
When I do nothing. What me do
she
to her?
She interview me and never give me no heads up, and it's my turn tonight. Yes, my turn to put Vanilla in the hot seat tonight. Yes, so for all who want to know more about Vanilla, tonight is our night to get to know a little bit more about Vanilla, especially for the new folks who are on here.
Lorraine.
Yes, Lorraine, big up yourself. Anisha, big up yourself. Payback. It's called payback. Yes.
Payback, that was so unnecessary. That's so unnecessary.
It's not unnecessary. The people
it's unnecessary.
The people would like to know. Laverne said ask a lot of questions.
She said, I asked a lot of questions. She said,
yes, she asked a lot of questions. I'm glad you remember. Glad you remember.
Throw me under the bus, man, and a rewind and a roll over me.
Nola, good night.
Nola. Diana.
Yeah, Diana, wagwan queen, you good? Yes, which is right.
What you mean,
Slimatic? Thank you. She made me all have a draw for me tired. And when me
welcome to the spotlight. What kind of thing that?
Me draw for me tired tonight.
Yes. Throw me under the bus?
That means that
and a back up and I go forward again?
You're loaded on me years old man and you're not a time yet. Jesus.
Jeez. I have one king or queen for support me?
Support you.
For stay by my side?
You don't want nobody by your side.
What do you mean?
You don't already have Clifford by your side. What else you want by your side? Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
We're ready. Let's get
I love interview people, you see? You're perfect for the interview.
Great.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. Are you ready, people? Are you ready for me bring it? Yeah. Are you ready for me put Vanilla in the hot seat tonight? Yes.
Natalia,
what a go on? What's going on, Queen? All is good? Yeah? All is good? So we have a master baker coming up. Yes? Until Mixie decide to push out her head. And for Master Baker send her back in. Yes. Until, yes. Tell her, man. Tell her so she can come out and apologize to Master Baker. For stealing her makeup. And all will be well. Yeah? She not have to stay in her bushes and hide from Master Baker. Tell her to push out her head if she think she bad. Just stick out one piece of ear and make Master Baker see her. Just one. One if she thinks she bad. Yeah. Tell her directly to Mixie. Because my mind tell me so she still a take notes, you know.
I think so.
Yeah, she still a take notes.
I think she's still taking notes.
Tell her to push out her head whenever she feel like she bad. Hi, Queen.
Melanie, Madonna.
Big up yourself, Madonna. Big up yourself. Tell her to put out one toe. Tell her. Put out one toe. Well, if she thinks she bad. One toe. Stick out a toe. Teresa, big up yourself.
Teresa.
She a peep round the corner. Yeah, me know so she a peep round the corner. Yes. She afraid of Master Baker.
Yes.
Afraid. From me take a plane. From Master, not me. From Master Baker take the plane. And she see how bad Master Baker is. Gone in the hiding.
I don't think she expected Master Baker for going so at the pool.
Not even Betty. Nah, show off.
No.
Nah, say nothing.
No.
Yeah.
Betty afraid to.
Yeah. Betty afraid to get a thump in her mouth.
Yeah.
You understand me? Because Betty she chat too much. You understand me? Yes. So she afraid. Nadine, big up yourself. Big up everybody for the life. So Vanilla in the hot seat tonight. So for all the people that wanted to watch the last live, Vanilla interview me, so I feared night tonight for sit down in the hot seat, yes, and answer these questions. Me will know she lie, me will call her out. Panny, you understand? Yes, Vanilla know, me will call her out.
She will.
Me will call her out. Wanna ready for me? Start the interview with Vanilla. Wanna tell me when I'm not ready. Me now start till I'm tell me, so I'm not ready. Yeah man, tell me when I'm not ready. Hear that. Hear one nation. Hear what? I want to know if I'm not ready. For me start. For me going with my question them. For Vanilla. Yeah, me gotta take it nice and easy at times. And then me turn it up. You know? We're ready.
Ready.
Alright. Let's go, Miss Vanilla.
Laverne, you throw me under the bus, man.
Nobody not throw you under the bus. When you did come out here with your big mouth the last time, nobody they couldn't say nothing to you, so.
Oh, then did I defend?
Yes.
You.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they know
Ready
more
like
about
Freddie?
me. They know more about me than you. That's it.
Uneasy.
Yes. All right, let's go, Vanilla.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. Prepare yourself. A first question. If you could choose another state to be born in other than New Hampshire, what state would it be and why? By the way, Vanilla was born in New Hampshire. If y'all don't know where New Hampshire is, let's just say it's close to Boston. Boston, Massachusetts. Yes. So, Vanilla, answer my question.
Okay. If I had to choose another state to be born in, it would be Hawaii. Why? Because I hate the cold. And Hawaii is warm. I don't like the cold. My time of the year is leaving me behind right now. It's cold outside. So, Hawaii.
It's only like 60-something degrees.
No, it's not. It's gotten down into the 30s. And I don't like the 30s, the 40s. No.
No, okay.
70s,
Fair enough.
80s.
She always whine about the cold.
I don't like the cool. The hands are always cold and my feet are always cold. I mean, I like the cool. Hawaii it is for me.
Okay. All right.
Hawaii.
Patricia, well, go on.
Patricia, pick up yourself.
Pick up yourself. All right, here's the next question. What is your proudest moment in life?
My proudest moment in life is giving birth to my 3 kids. My proudest moment.
I know when you meet me as a best friend.
I love you, but my proudest moment.
You crush me.
My proudest moment of giving birth to my 3 kids.
All right, we will take that since it's about your kids. You understand? I'll go up into my feelings. Well, okay. Thing said that she does said when she meet chocolate. You understand? All right. Why are you so loyal as a friend? And this is true. Yes.
I think being loyal is very important to a person's character. I feel that I am loyal to a T. And I feel that I'm loyal to a T. So I think being loyal to me is important because I want, as I'm loyal to somebody, I want others to be loyal to me. So if I tell you I'm going to do something, I'm going to follow through and I'm going to do it. I'm not going to tell you I'm going to do something and then back out. I think being loyal and being a genuine and true supportive friend is important.
Okay. I'm going to work on my loyalty then. Since you want somebody to be loyal to you.
You are loyal. You are loyal.
Work on my loyalty. Understand me? Why are you not as vocal on live like I am?
Well, first of all, yeah. Well, you're a chatterbox, but no.
That is so mean.
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. All right. I think when I come on live, I don't know, something just overcomes me and I don't know. I just get quiet.
What overcome
I'm working.
you? We need
I don't know. And it's something I'm trying to work on for myself.
Are you conscious that people are like looking at you?
I don't know what it is. I haven't pinpointed it yet, but I know it is something that I am working on. So,
Are you camera shy?
Maybe sometimes, but no, not really.
Oh, so what is it then?
I don't know. When I find out, I'll let you know.
Are you a mad woman?
No.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just a check.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just want to know. Okay. What was it like living in a Jamaican household?
Living in a Jamaican household. Well.
Oh, Crystal says she's the same way. That's me, Vanilla.
See?
Yeah.
Thank you, Crystal. I feel better. All right. Living in a Jamaican household. When I first moved in with your family, it was hard. And the reason why it was hard was because your mother told me that she's not going to speak English. So I basically had to learn patois real quick to understand what she was saying. And I didn't understand a lot of what she was saying. So it took me a minute, but once I learned it, that was it. I was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we never intimidate you with the talking the patois and stuff like that? No?
No, because you used to translate a lot of what she would say to me. You would tell me what she was saying, and then I could start picking up on, different words, and then so. Yeah,
you never did afraid for eat with food and stuff like that?
No. And I made it, you knew that I did not like seafood, so, yeah.
You still not gonna try chicken foot?
No.
Why not? You afraid I like two of them?
I don't want nothing with feet.
What you mean you don't want nothing with feet? Do you suck Clifford too?
No.
You not suck?
No.
You're not massaging too?
There's a difference between massaging and eating.
I mean, chicken toe nicer than film toe. Some I don't understand. Don't chicken foot nice already curry?
It's still a toe.
Yes.
Many business have been cut off the toenail or whatever. No. You can have that. We'll eat oxtail, we'll eat the curry chicken, yeah.
Not even just a pinky toe.
No.
I mean, come on, you just take a bite off a pinky toe.
No, you can keep the toes. Yeah.
Make you have to say that. Why you have to say you can keep the toes. You can keep the toes.
You can keep the toes.
You know what I mean?
So what you want me to say? We not eat it.
You want chicken foot nice. You don't know what she miss. You know what I mean?
You can keep it here.
Curry chicken foot, some brown stew chicken foot.
That's all right.
Chicken foot in a soup. You
That's
understand
all right.
me?
That's
once
all right.
You know what chicken foot do to you?
I'm in a business.
Yeah, chicken foot can make you whine, Yeah, and that's for.
No,
yeah.
no, I'm good.
Yeah, make you.
That's fine.
You make you go on like chicken.
No, I'm good.
What that we do?
No, I'm good.
Okay, you're on a chicken foot. Okay, all right. I'm gonna give up on chicken foot. All right, why are you so in love with the Jamaica culture and the bad words?
Why am I so in love with the Jamaican culture and the bad words? I just love the vibes of the Jamaican people. They're fun to be around. They're fun to be around. I love the vibes. I love the culture. I love the...
What make you love the culture? I said that already. Now that may ask you as a question.
I'm getting it. I love the...
You keep on saying you love the culture. Tell me why you love the damn culture.
It's fun. It's vibesy.
It's vibesy.
Yes, full of life.
No, for your culture, no vibes.
Some of them, no.
Why?
Some of them not a vibes. I don't know why they're not a vibes, but they don't.
Oh.
They're boring.
Why are you talking like that about your culture?
Well, what do you want me to do? I'm not gonna lie.
Jesus Christ.
There's some boring people.
And why you're in love with the Jamaica bad word?
I like the way they sound better than the English bad words.
Them sound better?
Yeah, they roll off the tongue so much smoother. They sound so much better.
Yeah, well, like a Jamaica bad word and liquor. They just roll off the tongue smoother.
It just rolls off the tongue. It sounds better.
It sounds better? Although you don't know what I mean, but it sounds better.
It sounds better.
I want it back first. So
but it mean, if somebody says it to you, it's going to hurt you more than it hurt me. Because I feel, I feel culture, but I like the way
because you don't know what the hell it means, so you just love
saying it. I have an idea what it means, yes, but I just like the way it sounds. Versus some of the American curse words, they just sound so... No.
I would have to ask, what's your name? Somebody want to know your name, Vanilla.
My name is Vanilla.
Yeah.
My name is Vanilla.
You get it now? She name Vanilla. Somebody will ask what's her name.
This is Chocolate. I'm Vanilla.
Yeah. Hello, friend dear. We don't know you as no friend, but hello. I hope you're not one of them pervert from India, because we don't do them things here. You understand? Back up. Yes, back up.
So Shara, big up yourself.
In the name of Jesus, back up. You understand? I hope you're not one of them little pervert that we are sending like a tea, like a show we in our messenger. That's why we quit with messenger, because we're fully up as a like a tea. And we don't want to see nobody tea. You understand? Back up. Yeah, back up. Yes.
Marie Stewart, big up yourself. Jennifer Gooden.
Yeah. It look like one them from India. They always on it. All them so on it. And because they're in India, all them so on it. Yeah, they always take them like a...
You know, for assume them sitting there now.
No, but they always take them like a Indian penis a send congue. We ever come out here telling us we want Indian penis, or not take a look at penis and send coming our messenger for. Your name is countries. We don't understand what you're trying to say. You are one of them. See you there? See you there? You come up in a live here tonight for come work up. Come bring out the master baker. You know, go back in. You hear me? Go back in with the look on yourself.
Camille.
Yeah. Go right back in. Yeah. Kind of don't have no respect. I mean, I know how no like take off phone look or hear it, phone look or close and show phone look or hear everybody and sending a people messenger all the time. All of a sudden I'm on it down in India. Eh? You're not a roti figure make and dal. Huh? A long time I want to see one of them in here if ask them. Yeah. You're not how are you? I'm good.
We're good.
But refrain from sending a little penis coming our messenger. You understand me? Nobody don't need to see like a ear leg them. Yes. Keep yourself quiet in the comment tonight. All right. Yes. All right. Which part am I reaching? Coming up on distract me.
About the why may like the Jamaican culture and the bad words.
Okay. And what is your favorite Jamaican bad word? Make sure you tell Indian man. Come back your MD whatever your name. Ventures. Yes. Come back here. Indian, you look you look Army Indian. Vanilla have 2 words to tell you. What are your 2 Jamaican favorite?
What's my favorite Jamaican bad word? Bomba pussy rasclat. All right. That's my favorite.
You hear that MD where you there?
Bomba pussy rasclat.
You hear that MD which part you there? You come off. Okay, good. Don't come back. Don't stay on our messenger. You understand me? Yes. Hi, Bevy. How you doing? All right. Here we go. Before I'm coming here. Sashira, big up yourself. Yes.
Sumez.
Me never see a set of people. Seem to see we had very good live.
Thanks.
Very good live. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now you go tell the whole generation them. Say if stay out our messenger and stop sending little tingy-lingy teely up in there. Like we want to see nobody teely.
But you know what?
Understand? Because them they are teely. Them they are teely. And them they were called teely at Jamaica. Tulu. You understand?
Maybe he doesn't know what a teely is.
Well, me I tell him what
Itsy bitsy little thing.
Me I tell him a teely, yes. Stop sending no teely picture them come show away. What do you do for job? Me box down people were sending teely coming our messenger. That's what we do for your job. You understand? Yes. And we get your friend Master Baker for jump on. Yes, that's what we do.
Kung Fu.
Yeah, I come up here and ask what we do. All right.
We tell you what we name already.
What is it like? See, they not even understand what you said to them. All them know for do. I take out, whip out the little teely and take pictures, send conky people. See? You talk to them, they don't.
Itsy bitsy teeny weeny little.
Yeah, talk to them, they don't understand a word. That's all they know for do. Whip out them, suppose you see amount of teely then sent to in a messenger. That's why we're not going our messenger.
We stop going to messenger.
Yeah, anybody try to reach in our messenger, we're not going.
Messenger's the worst.
Yeah.
Don't we? We're not opening.
Yeah, they love sending little teely to you in a messenger. Them a pervert.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Glad you come up in here tonight. I hope you understand. Cynthia come out of my mouth. All right. All right. What is it like for you having all adult kids?
All adult kids.
Marilyn, pick up yourself.
Well, you know, when my kids were little, I worried about them. But now that they're adults, I worry about them more. Because at least when they were little, they were around me. But now they're adults and they're going off on their own and they're doing their own thing. And I'm not there to protect them. I worry a lot about my kids. So it's rough. Yeah.
So it's rough having adult kids?
It's rough because I worry a lot.
Okay. I
Can't help it.
Enough. And not have no manners. Them don't have a manners. No manners at all. If you go smell their armpit or a rank, enough of them don't like to wear deodorant. You understand? Ranking teely and ranking armpit.
See that teeny
bad combination.
Shivel bit a little bit.
Understand? Yeah.
Teeny weeny.
Ranking teely and ranking armpit. That's a bad combination. Then love come up in a people messenger, then go alter themselves. Yes. Okay. If all three of your kids are watching you right now, pick one. You can't pick more than one. One of them you have to pick. Pick one. Tell him or her why are you proud of them. After, it's a two-part question.
Okay.
After you do so, imagine there's a young boy or girl watching you right now. Please give him or her the same advice you've given your child growing up. The one that you're proud of. The one you're going to pick.
Okay.
Let me see what them say. One night, one call me, cousin, and sure is, pelengeleng. And my cousin tell him she and him have the same. Jesus God.
Thing in him hang up toss.
They're very disgusting. Very. Me have to trace. Me have to tell him a couple things. Me not even trace him. Me nice to him right now. Them very disgusting. Yes. Them go around on the internet and jump in a people inboxes and feel like say them have the nicest and the prettiest and the biggest penis. And then penis look like some raw piece of meat. Me not even know if it look raw and nasty. Yes.
It's not attractive.
Not attractive. Go on. Shove it between two rocks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I'm proud of all of my kids, but if I had to pick one, it would be my daughter. And I'm proud of her because she is a go-getter. She is very motivated. She is currently applying to law school. She will be graduating from college in May. She will be going on to law school after that. And she runs track. She runs track. She has a nonprofit organization where she has kids that she's allowing young kids to get out and learn about track and other things like that. She works at the courthouse, doing an internship.
Me tell her to tell the people why you're proud of her. You there just I'm
telling them because, you know, when she was little, she skipped, you know, 4th grade. She skipped a grade. I always told her to push herself. You know, sky is the limit. I'm proud of her because she goes after what she wants. She doesn't stop. If a bump comes in the road, she'll say, okay, what went wrong? Try and correct it and you know, achieve whatever she wants. She's a go-getter.
And what advice would you give to the young person who's watching you?
What would I
give that person the same advice you give to Kylie that made Kylie so successful at what she does and such a go-getter? Yeah.
The advice I would give to a young child would be to go after your dreams. Don't stop. Push yourself. You're going to come across some hard times in life. Don't let it stop you. Nobody's better than you. You can achieve anything you put your mind to. And just keep pushing forward and work hard at whatever you want. Put your all into it.
Very nice, Vanilla.
Yes, put your
proud
all
of you,
into
Kylie. Proud of all 3 of you guys. Yes. Good job, Vanilla.
Thank you.
You did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you raise me now?
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
They didn't like me when they were little and had to do all that work.
Okay. Well,
but now they see the
benefits,
yeah?
yes, of it. Awesome. Beautiful Kylie. Yes, she is indeed beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes, she
Thank
is.
you.
We need to bring on Kylie one night so she can talk about her non-profit organization and inspire young adults
kids, yes.
like herself.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the new people watching, oh, no, me jump.
Oh.
Ashpa me there. Oh, gone all the way down the bottom.
Oh.
Why were you so adamant about us not bringing our businesses to social media? Why were you, that's the first thing you said to me before we got on social media.
You know, you have good and bad in social media, and I think it was important for us to be able to separate our businesses from coming out on social media and, you know, bringing it in front of, there are certain things that I wanted us to be able to keep off from social media, and that was a big thing. You know, now we support certain people, and you have people that will try and destroy your business if they know what it is. Where we have things on various different platforms, and those same people who badmouth us and don't like us because we support certain things, guess what? They're buying from us. And, you know, I just think it's important to be able to separate our businesses from social media. And I don't think it's important. We've been successful for so many years. I didn't think it was important for us to bring it here. I think it was important for us to continue to do what we were already doing.
Fair enough. Fair enough, Vanilla. Yeah, because I see a lot of people target people.
Yes, they target a lot of businesses that come on
which
social
is so
media.
wrong.
It is sad.
Yeah, and we didn't want to give
like
people that power.
Right, and we did not
us.
want to give people that
because
power.
if you say something, if you disagree with somebody that folks like, then that could be that could have them target your business,
Yes,
and we
very
didn't want
much
to give
so.
them that
No,
power.
we didn't want to give them
and
that
if you
satisfaction.
like, yeah, and if you like someone that other people doesn't like, they could also use that against your business. And if you're just gonna let your business be just a certain diaspora, then I feel like it would be confined. Yeah, we're confined.
Yeah. And right now, the way we have it, we are able to grow and spread, and our businesses are doing terrific. So
yeah, because you have other outlets. Because
of course,
I mean, if you have your business, say, on Amazon, nobody has to know that they're buying from you.
Exactly.
If you have it on Etsy, nobody has to know that it's yours.
No.
And anybody can buy from you on there.
People even out there that are Costco are buying from you. So yeah, we'll keep it the way it is.
True.
Yeah, keep it the way it is.
Yes.
Continue to support us. Thank you.
Yes. You don't have anything. You don't have to prove anything to social media.
Don't have to.
You can
prove
be
anything.
yourself, and you can speak freely on all.
And don't have to worry about anybody slandering your business.
Exactly, because even the same thing when Auntie had wanted to advertise the Airbnb, I said no, because you have people that will purposely book and go there and destroy things. You understand? And go on Google and give you bad reviews, even though there's nothing bad to review. Because you have evil people out there in social media.
And if they know what, and it's no different than the Airbnb with our businesses, they can go to Google and say, this business is terrible customer service, whatever. Well, if you don't know the name of the business, you can't slander us in any way. So
that's true.
Yeah.
Good answer, Vanilla. All right. What are your experiences being in an interracial marriage and having biracial children?
I remember when I had my oldest son. So I went to the supermarket with him, and there was this lady giving me all these dirty looks, looking at him like there was something wrong with him. And I remember turning to her and saying, he's a baby. He didn't do anything to you. What's wrong with you? I've had people ask me, oh, you couldn't find somebody within your own race. You have to be with a black man. I don't look at it like that. I love him, and that's who my heart loves. So I've dealt with a lot, and at this point in my life, to me, they're very ignorant people, and I don't let them get to me anymore. They used to, but I don't let them get to me anymore. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't care. Think what you want to think. I love my husband. I love my kids. I don't care.
Okay.
And I love my best friend.
I was just about to go.
And my sister.
I was just about to go up in my feelings about that.
Yeah.
Damn, girl, you save yourself. Oh, yeah. Tanya, how you doing?
Tanya, big up yourself, queen.
What do you like and dislike about social media? Starting with what you like first.
What I like about social media is we've met a lot of amazing people on social media, a lot. And I hope a lot of the relationships that we've developed on social media can continue on. We have a great, relationship, and there are a lot of amazing people. That is what I love about social media. You have a lot of amazing people on social media that are true and genuine people. What I hate about social media is people acting like they are holier than thou, and it's across all diasporas of social media, and acting like they are rich, and they have all this money, and they get up and they show off about cars and houses and trips and all sorts of different things. And I look at it and I'm like, if you're rich people don't show off. So if you're rich, it's a lifestyle. I hate that. I hate when people try and show off and show off to the same people who support them. I don't like that. I humble yourself. That's what I have to say. Humble yourself.
So that's what you dislike on social media?
Yes, I dislike that a lot on social media.
Not the arguing and negativity.
It's not, I'm not trying to throw shade on anybody, but that's one thing that I dislike. Be humble. Yes.
So you don't like the negative? You like the negativity?
No, I don't like the negativity and the fact that people.
Well, I'm not put words in your mouth.
No, but that.
Sometimes I chat too much. How me that say? You understand?
No, I don't like the negativity either. I don't like the fact that because you support somebody, all of a sudden you're this bad person, or people go against you because of who you love and support. You can love and support anybody who you want on social media, and I'm not stopping you from loving who you want to love, and I don't think anybody should stop me from loving and watching who I want to love. It's out there for everybody. I just don't think it's necessary for everybody to keep bashing people and going up under people and dogging people out. It's not necessary. We're all grown.
Mm-hmm. Fair enough, Vanilla. But Master Baker now listen to you.
I know.
Master Baker.
I know that.
Master Baker want fight.
I know. I know. Master Baker's a fighter.
Okay.
She is. Right. Yes. Master Baker's a one of a kind now.
All
yes.
right. Mm-hmm. For the new people. Okay. How is I jump? That's okay. Is there anything that has happened in my life prior to us being friends that you wish you were a part of?
Something that happened prior to us meeting that happened in your life?
Yes.
Of course. Your wedding. I met you a couple months after you got married. I wish I had met you a year before you got married, 6 months before you got married, because I definitely, that wedding would not miss me. I'm sorry I wasn't there to watch.
Oh, you don't get invited.
Well, the way you and I are close now, I'm talking if you and I were close prior to, that wedding couldn't miss me. I would love to have been at your wedding.
Well, I'm not do it over, so you just have to live with it. You understand?
Well, it is what it is.
All right. Okay. I don't know if you best Vanilla understand.
Of course I do.
Okay. I wish I may reach Vanilla. Oh. I don't know where I reach. For the new people watching, if any, what is your favorite? Oh.
Yeah.
I did ask you that at 2 times I write it down. Jeez, girl.
Or you asked me that off of your ass. Something else.
Yeah, hold on, Vanilla.
Okay, all right.
The Indian man coming in and disturb my spirit. So I have to get back on track. Okay. Okay. Why are you always so willing to join forces with me in helping others? You never hesitate whenever I mention doing any kind of good deeds for anyone.
Why am I always willing to help you?
Yeah, why are you so always willing to jump in and be on board? Yeah.
Growing up in a single family household, my father died when I was little. So it was just my mother. Seeing my mother struggle, seeing my mother have to work multiple jobs to be able to survive and take care of all of us. I think it's important to help others and pay it forward. You know, I've reached a great place in my life that I am able to pay it forward and help others, and I think that's very important. So if you can give and prevent somebody, even if it's something small, or you can make that person's day, and I think it's important to make others feel good. And if I can give, I will give.
Okay, but why do you continue doing so, even though I've watched you where you have helped people and they've turned around to be ungrateful to you? Why do I continue
to help them? Because that's I think it's important to help others, and if they want to be ungrateful, that's on them, and that's between them and God. I'm not doing it looking for anything in return. I do it out of a good place, and if they're ungrateful for what I've been able to do for them, that's between them and God.
Oh, yeah. Vanilla, that's nice of you. Where would you like to see Chocolate and Vanilla go on social media in terms of what we do? What direction would you like us to go in, or do we stay in the same direction? What would you like to see?
What I would
like say a year from now, or even next year.
Okay, what I would love to see happen, but I am very skeptical of doing it. I would love to see us give more, but knowing that we've been scammed, I'm very skeptical of doing more than what we're already doing. So I have that fear in my head that we're going to get scammed again. So I would love to be able to see us do more than, because we have the capability of doing more, but I'm nervous that we're going to get scammed again, and I don't want to go through that because that wasn't nice.
So
when we did the Barrel of Love.
Yeah. So where do we go from here?
I'm not saying there might not be times we can't come out other times and maybe a little bit more often and give, but not to the scale that I don't think we can do it on the scale that I would love for us to be able to do it, because I am afraid that we will get scammed and something will go wrong, and I don't want that to happen. So maybe come out a little bit more often and give, but not to the scale that I would like to see us. So just maybe giving out a little bit more.
That's if you want to come out more vanilla when you're always so damn busy.
Well, we can try.
Okay. All right. What is your favorite character that you have played next to Master Baker? And how do you keep a straight face acting with her?
One character?
Yes.
I actually have two.
Mr. One. All
well,
right,
I'm sorry. I have two. It would be Purple Rain and Blackie Mongo.
Yeah.
Purple Rain and Blackie Mongo. Yes.
Who was for the new folks? Tell them.
So
who was
Purple Rain was a artist that came to dinner to Master Baker's for dinner, and she kidnapped her and tied her up, knocked her out and tied her up. And everybody knows.
You mean Purple Rain was the lady who came to Master Baker restaurant?
Yes, that's what I said.
Yeah, you said you came to for the new folks.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, it was her restaurant. Yes, she had a restaurant, and Purple Rain came to her restaurant to eat. Yes.
Okay.
And she knocked me out and tied me up, and Michael, who played the person that I was with supposed to be with at the time, she put me in the bathroom and tied me up when he came back. So.
And what do you love about Blackie Mongo?
Blackie Mongo is just Blackie Mongo's a character. I guess a lot of people don't understand that Blackie Mongo's a man, and think is maybe a woman, because but Blackie Mongo is a very serious officer.
Oh, a serious officer.
Yes, a serious officer.
Okay.
And how do I keep a straight face? So I get into character, and I try not to think about some of the antics that Master Baker does. I try and stay in character, and
Hi, Stacey Campbell.
Big up yourself,
Queen.
Queen.
How you doing, darling?
Yeah, I try and stay in character and not think about Master Baker and all of her antics. Now, when I'm behind the scene,
Love you.
I can't help but laugh. But when I'm acting with Master Baker, I stay in character. When I'm behind the scenes, I can laugh because nobody can see that I'm laughing.
Okay. And why are you so obsessed with the Jamaica Anaconda? And love break down beds when you go to people hotel go stay. Why do you try to break down the people in bed?
I mean, I don't try. I did break down the bed. I did break the bed.
Why you and your husband don't have any behavior every time when you go to people resort and you try to break down them bed?
I mean, when it's good, it's good. What you for do?
2 different locations in Kingston. We are doing this for 3+ years, 54 Crimson Avenue, once per month. Maxfield, okay. Sunday kiss her belly. Yeah, but what answer? Why are you so obsessed with the Jamaica Anaconda?
I mean,
the people that want to know.
My husband's Jamaican. I mean, I can't help that he has an anaconda.
Yeah, but it's always the Jamaican anaconda. No, him are the only Jamaican.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
My kid's father was Jamaican, so
yeah. So it's like you have a thing for the Jamaican anaconda.
Them know how to work. Them know how to move. Them know how to hit the right spots. And yeah, Jesus and it just Christ. Hey, it is what it is. Mm-hmm. And what it is what it is.
Oh wow,
and it's nice.
Oh, the minute I ask all of that.
It's not a sausage. It's an anaconda.
And a sausage and a little sausage them like Indian man will try to send send them things in our messenger. Okay, I know that.
And more than one bed we broke.
Yeah.
And more than one bed we broke. Yeah.
Well, you're not coming over here. You and your husband come sleep in any one of my guest bedroom them.
Why?
If you're not tired upon the floor.
Why?
You understand me? Because you're not coming over here for broke down none of my bed them. You understand me? Because you do it on purpose and try to broke down people bed. Everyone go with a bad behavior. You understand?
All right, we'll just break through the floor.
You understand? Yeah. Karen Blair, big up yourself.
When it's nice.
Stacey Campbell.
When it's nice, it's just nice. That's all I have to say.
But that don't mean that you have to try and pop down people bed wherever you go. It's an embarrassment. Me just try to tell you now. Yeah.
Hey.
Embarrassment. So I'm top go places with them. They're very embarrassing. To see people are coming out hotel and move out bed because bed split apart. You understand?
I know my fault. I know me tell them to have weak bed.
Or not do it on purpose. If people them they expect so not come, they can jump on them bed. You understand me? Wall on them bed and try to pop it off a wall and them sitting there. Or not animal.
I mean, hey, I'm sorry for the people that were in any room around us, but hey, it is what it is.
Yeah, sir. And then on a walk out and go like on a nice in a people them hotel. When I want to do all them things there.
Yeah.
Yes. Bed rotten.
That's right.
A good hotel them, we people them bed fine, come me and my bed were left intact. You understand me? Yeah. We're not only gone. Yeah. We have behavior.
Me have behavior
them not
too.
have no damn behavior when them gone away.
Yeah. Behavior too.
Yeah. Hooligan them.
Just on another
I'm
level.
gonna try to say we boring and stush. No, they take it to a whole different level. You understand? Like a war that are going up in there.
When it nice, it just nice.
You need to know how to behave your little white self.
I do know how to behave myself.
Yeah.
That's right.
Bully. There you go, Jacqueline.
Ain't
Bully
nothing
down.
wrong with that.
Bully.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
He enjoyed himself.
Sometimes when he put on shots, you see, he black up. Me say, oh, somebody did beat you up? No. I hit my legs on the bed.
Yeah. Thank you.
And you know, for that skin color can't hide nothing. You understand?
Makeup works great though.
Yeah, I won't be wearing anything short for a good old as a fair talk for a while. I won't be wearing anything short. Yeah.
Give me a minute. Let the black and blue
me and her go Jamaica when her husband live at Jamaica. Me and her go Jamaica. And you know, say we have to get a ride for her. She couldn't walk in our airport.
Couldn't walk. We have to take a ride.
I wish part of in Orlando.
Yeah.
And we have to stop it and ask them
for a ride.
Because Vanilla couldn't walk.
I couldn't walk. But we tell them say I'm an ankle, but I don't have an ankle.
Yeah.
And she was walking fast and I say, Chocolate, slow down. Me can't walk so fast.
Me not tell her if up them way there.
Me can't walk so fast.
So why me slow down for me walk? Because I on a bedroom bully kind of thing.
I mean, hey.
If you ever see a Vanilla up.
It's sore.
In two people them hotel.
Yeah.
Two people them airport. Couldn't walk. Orlando, I'll never forget it.
Had to get a ride.
Vanilla forget her. Mr. Vanilla, why you walk, sir?
Me in a pain.
Why you have to do that
not
to
in
yourself?
a pain. It just maybe it just did. I don't know. It got too much activity down there. Too much activity.
So no get for know her now. You don't get for know her, what go on with Vanilla. The little one will come out here and act innocent. Me just want to point that out on a see tonight. Yes.
Right.
Miss Vanilla could not walk.
May I walk so? Let me show you.
Them can't see her. You're there all the way over, sir.
May I try to go?
Move this stool.
Okay, let me show you how to walk. Don't walk no faster, chocolate. Slow down.
Same way, sir. I mean, Vanilla, what's wrong with you? You can't walk better. No. Chocolate, I think I'm going to need a ride. I say, me not put you on for me back, so I definitely a ride you're going to need.
I need a ride. And we got one too.
You figure we tour with big mouth I go to the damn airport. Because it frustrate me, you know, because I talk to her about, you know. Me see her before we left, you know, and she need to walk right. And I say you need to get it together before we left Jamaica and to travel back. You think she get it together? It worse. The next ideal when we left Jamaica. If you ever see struggle with Vanilla coming to the airport, them.
And guess what? I had ankle problems sometime there, even though it had been a minute still. But I told them that my ankle was hurting me and I couldn't walk.
And let me tell you what a girl do. A girl get in a wheelchair.
Yep.
And because them are going to carry her down too sick.
You chat too much, man. You chat so much. We have to tell them about the wheelchair part.
A girl get in a wheelchair. Big old jackass.
All the way to the plane.
Because anaconda, them have to push her in a wheelchair.
Yeah.
And when she sees me a walk, we left her. Because them bring her in a one long line.
We get out.
Yeah. It can
get out of the wheelchair.
When it can see me, I go through, it can jump out of a wheelchair.
Yep.
Yeah.
I
left him man there with the empty wheelchair in her line.
I'm good.
I'm good now. I'm good. Because she said me I left him because I said me can't put up with this foolishness with Vanilla.
About you in a wheelchair.
Yeah, when me see a man come with a wheelchair for Vanilla, me say you are this foolishness. Who you think I walk back at you in a wheelchair?
But guess
Not
what?
chocolate.
But guess what? When I was in that wheelchair, we sure got through security real fast.
No, you jump out of the damn wheelchair.
I'm talking about. It didn't take as long to go from point A to point B.
Yes, but as soon as you see me, I left you for go outside. You girl jump out of a wheelchair. Yeah. I left him. See, man, I look. The man don't know what happened with Vanilla. The man were pushing wheelchair. Because all of a sudden, Vanilla just get up, jump. Not even walk, jump out of a wheelchair. Everybody look at Vanilla. No, she did cripple like a while and need wheelchair.
No, her ankle didn't hurt her.
No, she did sick and sitting around with her. When you see me a bolt and go left, you want to see jump out of a wheelchair.
They catch her
yeah. Me say you are your damn foolishness after me warn you. Down at Jamaica after me warn you and tell you say you and Clifford need to calm down. You understand? Them whole heap of aerobic thing wanna go on with. Yeah, because I see her in night before now them come on my room, them come up on my room. And I say, Vanilla, what's wrong with you? She said, I'll be fine. By tomorrow, I'll be fine. Worse when I see her the next day.
More activity went on.
Worse.
Hey.
Me can't believe Vanilla Galanga go on with things in a condition she was. Yes. Me have to get right fear at Orlando through the, she have to get power when I can't them. Because otherwise we'd have probably missed with flight if we have Vanilla a walk.
But you didn't have any problem. You did all right with the wheelchair, but you didn't have any problem riding in the cart though.
No, me get on the cart with you because at least you know other people dep on carts. But me not turn up behind no damn wheelchair with you after me did done warn you. You understand? I mean, no say I'm not really sick, you're sick, and you go create that by yourself.
Yeah.
You understand? And I like say she feels sick. You know what I mean? Or anything. And she go do that to herself. So me just say me gone. When you see me grab up me and I jet out of here, I go on. You see jump out of the damn wheelchair. You all me can see I man I look around so. Like him in a, like him in frozen.
In the days, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, him, like him man turn up in a line with the empty damn wheelchair. Vanilla jump out a wheelchair and a hopper come behind me. Me say it was a sight to see. Somebody should have did that video the whole thing. If I put it on social media and show them, yeah, what Anaconda do to you. Yes, somebody should have did that for video the thing. And sure, do not do this. This is what Anaconda does to Vanilla.
Be gentle, this is what an anaconda will do.
Yeah, this is what an anaconda will do
the
to you.
after effects of an anaconda. Here you go.
Yes, and that not top him. Not top her at all. Anytime in the summertime anymore. Oh, I'm not going to be wearing anything short for about 2-3 weeks. Me know what happened. Me know what happened. Yeah.
She sure does.
Me give up. Yeah. Broke out.
I stopped counting. I stopped counting, Maureen. I stopped counting. I can't tell you how many rounds. Over and over.
How many? Yes.
More and
that
more.
That time me live down there. So you know a visit, she go visit. And it's like she can't make a day, then can't make a day pass. You understand? Then they pan lockdown. Straight lockdown. You understand?
The first day we got there, I think of the next day, you see we.
Are you up? Every time I see you up like a damn.
I swear the
where
next day.
Animal were up.
Yeah.
You're
the next
up.
day.
Yeah. The next day, you're bound for see Vanilla. I move like sitting. Me don't know what wrong with it. Well, me know what wrong with her. I me just look. Me just I'll kiss my teeth. Like seriously. Yeah. That's how she behave. She and him. Thank God in there now. Boy, me I tell her them trip used to be something. But you guarantee Vanilla come up mash up. Mash right up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then say,
somebody
bad,
say wicked in a
bad and the wicked in a bed. Oh.
I'm murder right a bed. You don't want them the wickedness. Me too dainty for them the same thing there. You understand? Me too dainty. You understand? No, me love. No.
That's
no,
right,
no,
Patricia. Tell her again.
No, me love.
Needed enough till we see him the next time.
No, cool and deadly. That's it. No rough, nothing. No,
it
no
didn't have
jam
to be
up.
rough.
No jam
It
up.
didn't have to be rough.
Nothing for me sitting there on fire and can't. None of them things there.
Rough.
No, me love. Nothing for make me walk funny. No.
It didn't have to be rough.
No, me know me love. Me too dainty. And not for me them things there. I for Vanilla. No, me love. She have to be sure she get enough to last till she see him again. No, sir. Me too delicate. Me were broke. One arm will fly off. You understand me? Are we about chocolate? I don't believe you. You're deity. What?
Tell her again.
Don't listen to the mouth. You understand me?
Tell her again.
Don't you listen to the mouth. No, me not like them rough business. No, me not in a rough
It doesn't
business.
have to be rough.
Me not like, well, if you mash up bed, that mean roughness are going, honey. You
doesn't
can't
have to
take it
be.
back. You
But
can't
I'm
be,
just-
you
I'm
can't
not
be
taking
gentle.
anything
You can't be
back.
gentle.
Doesn't work.
You
I
can't
couldn't
be
put it
gentle.
back together.
Right, you can't be gentle and things are broke. You
I
understand?
couldn't put it back together.
No, me love.
After you broke, it
it's
broke.
just because, what? It's just because we don't know. Yeah, me not afraid for talk. Me not afraid chocolate. No, you like that vanilla. When you say chocolate are from time them COVID are up in Clifford and vanilla, they're upon lockdown. They always upon lockdown, Gillette. Always. Things always a mash up. They'll come like natural disaster. Like a hurricane.
Storm of past through.
They'll come like a hurricane will blow down Florida. Remember me tell you. Yeah.
And say, yeah, Scotch bonnet chocolate.
Me don't know damn Scotch bonnet. Me a sweet pepper. You understand me? Me a sweet pepper. Put me in some salad. You understand? Put me in some salad.
Tell us, Sandy.
Me a sweet pepper. Put me in some salad. You understand me? You're not gonna get no fire from me. Put me in some salad. Put me in some salad, me say. Me no mind you no put me in a some salad or no drop vanilla in a curry thing them with hot pepper and the jerk pork and it. Put me in a some salad. You understand? Me not tell you no say me hot like vanilla. No, me dainty. Me dainty.
You dainty?
Yes, me dainty. You have to angle me with care. Me come like crockery. Me with broke. You understand me? We don't believe me. Sweet pepper, big and not hot. See it? Yes, big and not hot. Yes, that's true. Just like me big and, me admit it, me a sweet pepper, me big and not hot. Yeah, that's me big and not hot. Me not no hotness to me. When it comes to that, me not no hotness to me. Yes. No hotness, nothing there. None whatsoever. You understand? Yes, even a cool and deadly, me don't eat it. Me don't eat it. No. Oh God, we can laugh. It's always good to laugh.
Laughter is good for the soul.
Good for the soul. It was so nice being out here with you guys tonight. Thank you, Vanilla, for answering all them questions. Yes, and thank you guys for coming to see about us. Yeah, we know so we're cool. It in a good way, fun way. Yeah,
we have some fun.
Sweet pepper, big, and have no heat to it. Just cut me up and put me in a salad. You hear? You can put me on the side. Yes, nobody drop me in a pata. Yeah, no.
They say you're the fine pepper then.
No, I find pepper.
And then she say you're the fine pepper then.
No, me not even call me pepper. Not put pepper on my name. Pepper on me, no.
Pepper you don't.
No, me something different from pepper. Yeah, me a chocolate. Sweet, smooth. Yeah, chocolate. That's exactly what me is like my name. Chocolate. Melt in your mouth and not in your hands. How about that? That's explain me to a T. Melt in your mouth and not in your hands. You understand me? Yes, in your mouth, not in your hands. Yes. When it comes to mouth, me a mouth good. Yes,
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Yeah.
Hot.
Yes.
Hot. There's a key word.
Patricia said me no agree. Me say, me too fragile for them life there. Them life there of me. You understand me? No. Both of you have different menu. There you go. Different menu. Yes, man.
Yes, man. Me that do it again.
Fear
ask me.
You know the hot food then put the whole heap of pepper on the jerk pork. Vanilla that. Yes, man. Chocolate.
No, you're hot wings.
Me. Husband, you worse than vanilla. So, you don't believe me, huh? You don't believe me. How long you fine lady know each other? Oh, we've known each other now for over 30 years.
Yep.
Yes.
30 years.
It's going to be 32 years.
Yeah.
In February.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. And it doesn't seem that long.
No.
Doesn't
Time
seem
flies.
that long. Time definitely flies. Yeah. But we've known each other. Vanilla used to live with us.
Yep.
In New York. Yeah, my mom was like her mom.
Yep, I called her mama.
Yeah, she adopted Vanilla.
Yeah, she did.
I think chocolate was worse than vanilla. Well, no, me not brought down no bed as far as me can remember. No, sir. Me telling us I'm too fragile for them things. They don't understand me. The only time me not fragile if me get in a fight. You understand? Yes. And me and my husband not getting in a fight. Yes. Then tell them I will lose it. If me get like Master Baker, yes. But me not getting in a fight. Wow, so sweet. Yeah, man. We know each other for a long time. Mm-hmm. Yeah, my mom was like her mom, and she know everybody in my family. Everybody in my family know Vanilla.
Yep.
If me go at some function, where's Vanilla?
Uh-huh.
Where's Vanilla? I think it's chocolate broke out. Me no broke out, no vanilla. No, me love. No, I Jamaican anaconda them broke out vanilla.
Do you see that? Them say because you're smart, you're stamp on the ground.
Oh,
No!
Stamp on which ground?
Then say you know go upon the bed when you're ready for broke it down. You stamp on you do upon the ground.
No.
You spread something
chocolate
on the ground.
Lay down in a nice soft cushion bed. Chocolate is
Then
fragile.
say you're just a calm down now.
I've been calm all my life. Yes.
They don't. I don't think they believe your chocolates.
Whatever. They not believe me then, cause me not lie for myself and talk about me no beast. Me's not no beast and no bedroom bully. Me is a love maker. Yes. Passionate love maker, and with all the romance, and me love romance.
Who's that question for, Jerry Ann?
If you have a choice, would you choose her as a friend, sister
would.
again?
I would.
Definitely.
Definitely. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Yeah.
My sister for life.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. And my mom said, because my mom knows our relationship.
Yep.
And she said, make sure to always remain and be there for each other. And we promised her that before she passed. Yeah.
Yep.
She said, don't make nobody break up on a friendship. Yeah, continue to look out for each other and have each other's back.
Yep.
You guys have a beautiful friendship. You guys are beautiful sisters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let nobody tell you that you shouldn't be there for your friend because the color of her skin. Vice versa.
Yep.
No matter. You know much people used to think that Vanilla and I are like a couple.
Right.
Yeah, we hear that one heap of time.
Yeah.
And the first time I said Vanilla Pum Pum, one time she get surgery upon her ankle. And she stay at my house. So
And I couldn't put no pressure on it.
Good night, Bobette Kitchen and Vlogs. How you doing?
Good evening, Bobette.
And that was when? When you get your uncle? When you did the surgery?
5 years ago.
5 years ago. And look how long we've been friends. And 5 years ago, I first time I said Vanilla, Pum Pum. And because me that put help her in my shower. Yeah? First time.
Because I couldn't put no weight on the foot.
Mr. Lord Vanilla, your Pum Pum ball. And white. She said, what you expect it to be? Black? I'm a white?
Hairy? They want it to be hairy?
That was the first time I see it. And people always used to talk things we're a couple because we're so close. Yeah, everyone then say one, then say the other.
Yeah. What's all good?
I mean, it's a poor with Vanilla.
Yeah.
I don't even know what your pum pum look like.
No,
And people are,
and vice versa.
and people are accused me. First time I see it 5 years ago, and because her shower,
my room is
our room is upstairs,
and it was too much. For
yeah,
me to
and
go
it was
up
a
and
lot
down the
of stairs for she got up and down. So I make she stay over here because she could use the a shower down here, so she not have to go upstairs. And me tell her some will come help her for getting my shower. Me didn't know. So me I go see look a white pum pum. When me go in there, me say, Lord Vanilla, the ball and the white. Yes. Vanilla say, what you expect if it be black? Me not white. Me say, oh.
What you expect if it be hairy? Bushy?
And that was the first time I see it. From that, me not see it again. Yeah, she go back home, her husband, and help her up the stairs.
Yeah.
Shocked. Me I be honest, people used to always accuse me. Like, because me don't know why, me used to find it weird. I'm like,
why everybody
thinks that we're a couple. You can't have two friends.
You can't have friends?
Yeah.
And we used to be in the car, people would give us some looks, and we're like, oh, what's wrong with that?
Say, when me and my sister then go out, people think me and them together to them.
Right.
Oh, that's crazy. If you look like salt pork. No, me they stay upon it long, me just take a quick look and look way back because me not comfortable for steer pan, you know? It's for steer, you understand? It is weird. Me they steer. Me just glimpse it till she go in the shower, yes? I mean, I know for me more big. Me not worry about no. Mr. Lord Vanilla.
Your poo-poo white.
Your poo-poo white. I'm bald.
Like it's supposed to be a different color in my
Good
way.
night, Drinkirk. How you doing?
Drinkirk, pick up yourself, Queen.
Pick up yourself, Queen.
What color is it supposed to be? My white.
Yeah,
white.
I guess me did I look things say to be one different color. You know when you just used to say fear kind of color one. Upon TV alone me used to say fear kind of color. You understand? When me used to watch the blue movie they call it.
Porn.
You know, porn. And they call it okay, porn. And me used to hide and watch blue movie, you understand? It's the only time me used to see it from blue movie. Yeah. The Jamaican people know me attack on they call it blue movie, then call it porn over here. I don't go in a show me used to see them. So when me see it in a real life now, we're like, okay, it was kinda weird. It was kinda, but then like, you alright?
I'm good.
When I make you feel uncomfortable. Okay. You know, like, say them asleep, but you just tell them, but I'm gonna describe. It look like Phil one only thing it white. As far as we see. Yes, blue movie, right, Anissa? Yes, blue movie, and call it.
Sandy K.
Sandy K said she that stitches. She catch me off guard, but me know me don't help her in the shower, you know. But me don't know for some reason, me think say, me I go just come in there, your butt naked, you know?
No, I'm not Jamaican.
Yeah.
I'm American.
You catch me off guard, would you? Yeah, you want to see how me hurry up fast. I'm
fast as me ever hop.
Yeah, me move fast to get out there. Me say, all right, call me when you're done.
Fast as me ever hop.
Me say, call me when you're done. I'm go back in there.
Hop on my 1 foot.
And try to look
Yeah.
away, you know.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus. Oh, what is from this Jamaican woman? She come a foreign cause the white pum pum. Don't sound a pray for me. No, but that was it. But I saw all when people are accused we and then sitting there, we're like, okay, we're not
No go so.
They're like, no, sir. Me not feel like say, even if me got a weird no offense, Vanilla, but me not think me that want one white girl. Me that want one black girl. No offense.
Well, your husband's not white.
Right. Me think say if me feel, you know, the way that black girl would have to do it, you know? Yeah, me don't know. Me don't know if I become, me don't know. I truth me talk. If me feel going at them the direction I want, so that would be one black girl. Yeah. It wouldn't be a white girl. Me not used to them. It should have freaked me out. Yeah, it did
So
freak
how when
me
you were
out.
young you didn't want to marry a white man?
Because me used to see them on TV, you know what I mean? And idolize them because you see them on TV, so you feel like, say, you know, when you look a bit and I watch all MacGyver, you know what I mean?
Oh, you don't want to marry MacGyver?
Them things that MacGyver, you used to watch Sunday matinee and them must sing, oh, darling, take me home. I mean, like, no want a white man to sing like that to me, you know what I mean? Every other line of singing I matinee. So you use as a
So you thought you were just gonna marry this man and everything about say to you must sing?
You know, so I love singing and I love music. So we want one of them man from the matinee, or me did want a MacGyver who can fix things and somebody try to hurt me. MacGyver just blow them up. You understand? Yeah, them things there. So when you're there in Jamaica and I watch TV and them things there, I say. Somebody did want a white man. You understand? Because that's what make me sit up on TV and you know, your imagination around while you're like a picnic. But now me I think about him, he's a perverted like a picnic because MacGyver and them man, they're a big man for me. You understand me? When me didn't have no business. I fantasize about marrying people like MacGyver and Chuck Norris and Rambo. You know? Yeah, we can go over TikTok to watch and listen to. Uno can go over TikTok. Uno fun to watch and listen to.
Oh, thank you, Slamatic.
We don't know how TikTok works.
We don't really know how TikTok works.
We don't know. We never try to go over there yet. We don't know how it works. Yeah?
I think of one thing we ever post on TikTok, and that was so long ago.
Long ago, yeah. But yeah, what me that? me a little picnic and me want marry to MacGyver and people like Chuck Norris. You understand? And them people that me want to marry to. And I like saying a little boy, me did I watch. I love them. A big old man them. What is wrong
grown
with me?
Man.
Big grown ass man. Me sit down there. I'm a want somebody kidnap me so MacGyver can come rescue me or Chuck Norris.
Oh.
Yeah, or you know what I mean? Yes, or Van Damme. You know? Yeah, me say one time I'm married to one of them then now somebody will come kidnap me and then Rambo will go through all of that and Arnold Schwarzenegger to come rescue me. Them girlfriend, they like a black Jamaican, they like a black Jamaican wife. You know what I mean?
Girlfriend that they didn't even know.
Oh no, imagine that.
Wait a minute. I'm still trying to understand this. So them for come rescue you.
Yeah.
The girlfriend that they don't, you said that girlfriend. The girlfriend that they don't even know exists.
Right.
Others for come rescue you and they don't even know so you exist.
But in a fear mind, you not think about that. You like a picnic, you're not mature. You understand? Or I never have crush when I like a picnic.
You see, somebody just said them did love Pink Panther.
There you go, Babette Kitchen and Vlog. And I'm
Babette
alone.
say that?
Yeah, I think that's she.
Comment.
Yeah, I think that's she. And I
Yes, Babette. Babette
Yeah.
say she the one married Pink Panther.
Exactly. When you
Pink
like a
Panther.
picnic, you sit down. Me,
You see,
me don't know
Pink
about.
Panther's an animal.
Me don't know.
Just to ask.
Me don't know about nobody else. But when me like a picnic, me sit down and fantasize when me I watch TV about them things there. Me wish me did a Rambo wife and him a come for rescue me. You understand? With him sitting around his head. You understand?
Yeah.
Then kidnap me and Rambo beat up him man, them kill off them and come rescue in like a black Jamaican wife.
Okay.
You understand?
You wanna want Rocky?
Anybody me used to watch me don't know about the Rocky, no put words in me tell you what me used to watch.
Yeah,
But me tell you what me you come bring in somebody now what me don't know about. But me say Rambo was the thing. I don't know about the Rambo. Yeah man, Rambo was the thing, man. Rambo was the baddest. You understand? And me just want Rambo for him. You know someone like a girl there in Jamaica would just want married you so badly and feel just come take her, carry her, and make them kidnap her from you. And you just beat up some people and come rescue her. You understand? That's what me did want. I used to love Van Damme. Yeah, me love Van Damme too. Yeah. Love Van Damme. Chuck Norris. Not so much. Me ain't too care about Chuck Norris. Him ain't that handsome to me.
No.
Yeah.
Chuck Norris, no.
Me like Rambo too, great fight. Yes, Karen. And I'm me alone, man. And I'm me alone. Me used to have a crush at church. You understand? Remember one cute guy come and play the drum at church. And feel all night me not hear when nothing will go on at church. Me just sit down and look at me say man was like the cutest thing to me. Yeah, me just want church over and he can shake my hand. And me a little girl, you know, and a big man, I play drum. Yeah, me a tell her now. I me don't know what about him, man, but him did just look so handsome up on a rostrum, I play drum.
Yeah.
And me not hear nothing more for me just sit down in a church, just admire him, and I say, all I want him can do, I just shake my hand when church over. Yeah, me just make me night, you understand? If my mother did ever know, they were wanting to be bad. You understand?
When you at church?
At church, you know. Because that's all me used to go at church and school, that's it.
Right.
That was me, chocolate. Yeah, man, and I never have crush on a young, people were older than on. Yeah, me did have crush on one man who used to come, one guy, he wasn't old. He was like, you know.
I tried to think of who me did have crush on when I was young. I remember as a teenager, me did love off Michael Jordan, but I try to think about younger than a teenager.
So you never love off no white man up here, black man?
I try to think.
Why me did I love off your white man, your white cousin?
We did have a life-size picture of Michael Jordan. Yes, not a life-size picture.
Me think about my mind, the taller one, me not act on them, me know, but me have thoughts in my head, you understand? Yeah, well, me all church out, so me just gone in a fantasy one. Me not allow for
Jorian said he was the drummer. I was the drummer.
I'm back to watch me, my client mind me drop on that bed. No, nobody don't drop on that bed.
Don't do that.
Don't drop on that bed. Don't jump on that bed. I shoot me at all. Me never act out for nothing but thoughts go through my head because I pay church and school. So if them there are only two places me go, me not must have thoughts in a church. You know, sometimes me just zone out, you know? Yeah. Me young.
Things happen.
Yeah, me young. At least me be honest.
Yeah,
me young. I mean a church and yeah, pay church. And someone cute somebody come at church, you know, and sit down up there. Me just did there and I said, will you marry me? I'm just kidding. Oh God, you guys sit up here and listen to we mad this one night. Me tell you so we mad, I don't know, believe me. My crush was Steven Seagal. You have a crush, Steven Seagal. Me not too like Steven Seagal because nobody can beat him up. That's the thing about Steven Seagal. He always a beat up everybody.
Yeah, never
him so bad. You understand? At least then we give Rambo some beating and sitting like that, lock him up and... But Steven Seagal, he can never get beat up. Kenny Rogers was my biggest crush. Me did love him bad. Oh, you didn't love Kenny Rogers? Me love him voice. Me love him song. But, alright. I never listen to love song and nothing happen to you, I don't want to cry. And me alone, that happen to?
No.
Me alone listen to some love song and nothing wrong with me, but me don't feel like crying.
Or you watch movie and you get emotional and
yeah, me watch movie and get emotional and tears are run down. You understand? Yes. I don't know nothing.
Let me ask you something.
Babette, when you say no, I'm mad, me bad.
Let me ask you something.
I'm mad, me bad.
Wanna tell me when you watched the Titanic, you know about?
Me never cry over Titanic.
Me never cry over Titanic. Me sorry, God forgive me. Me laugh.
Why you laugh?
I thought it was funny when they were just ping ping off of the ship. I just thought it was funny. I know it happened in real life, but it was just the way it happened.
I cry over love song all the time. And me, I only mad somebody. Yes, me listen to love song
Tom Jones.
And make me get emotional.
I had a friend who loved Tom Jones.
Yeah, not so much now, but back in the days. And maybe, me used to listen to love song and get emotional. You know what I mean? I want to be there for my cycle them time. Because you get emotional when you're there for your cycle.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. At least a good thing. You get emotional or you get pissed off. Also.
Right. It's one extreme to the next.
Yeah. What's dramatic about now? I had a friend who loved Tom Jones. I tell us I know somebody me used to love all I man them are coming on Sunday Martini. Yes, and when them a sing to a woman, them I say, I want white man, me I got married to some can sing to me. I understand? Just sing him words them to me. Yeah.
Skin
when
to skin,
listen
it
to
always
this song,
reminds
skin
me
to
of,
skin, always remind me
love.
of your first. Oh, okay. Yes, songs get you emotional. I know gospel songs do that to me now. Yeah. Me listen to certain gospel songs. Yeah. And you watch out certain Lifetime movies. Too.
Certain Lifetime movies,
yeah. But me like you one them where like your partner evil all this and that them one them me like. Yeah.
The one where them do some wicked sitting to them. That one they had?
Who used to hug themselves and dance the love song? Diane said she used to hug herself and dance the love song. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, hug yourself. Love yourself.
That's right. Love yourself.
Dean Martin. That was a phase you were going. Of course, a phase. Everybody go through. Yeah, young. You understand?
We all go through phases. Of course.
Of course. Yeah, so at least me woman enough to admit it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm just a little bit crazy, but not all the way crazy. Big up on yourself. You hear? We're gone, you know.
Yes, man.
We're not going to promise when we come back because every time we make promise and when in a workout, we feel bad.
We feel bad.
Because me like stick to my words.
Yeah.
But You guys will see us soon again. Yeah. Anything you want to ask? You want to ask questions? We're open.
Chocolate and vanilla. Can I go to my bed now? Because I'm full up of laughter.
Well, we're making a laugh. No, sir. We need a try. We just be honest and tell you now what we used to do.
We all used to go through phases. That's right,
Patricia. I go through phases. Yes. Remember one time me got through one phase and really because I didn't have no titty. I want to hear about Bobby Biter.
Bobby Biter?
At Jamaica. The Jamaican them know what I talk about. When they say if you go a river and it's sitting bite upon your chest, your titty there will get big. Yes, man, every time I go a river, me can't wait for Bobby Biter bite me upon my titty them. For them get big. Not a Bobby Biter na bite me upon my titty them. Then just get big so, for no reason. And I like nothing did bite me upon them. You understand? Me say every time I go a river, me say, wait, Bobby Biter them there. Well, then I want to bite me upon my titty them. So me can't have like a titty. You understand? No Bobby Biter, no bite me. You never hear about the Bobby Biter, then let me say for anybody. Yes, Bobby Biter for real. That's isn't that real? Me not think that crap real. Yeah. Me not think that crap real. Me not think Catcherman real. They used to talk about Catcherman and say Catcherman have one ball. And if Catcherman lick you with the ball, you freeze and you can't move. Yeah. Yes. They used to tell with that when we got school. Yes, and say Catcherman supposed to in a one truck and Catcherman have one ball, and if Catcherman fling your ball and the ball lick you freeze and you can't move. You know, me remember that I have something right now. All them people that will tell me them foolish. Blackheart, man. Yes, Marlene, Blackheart. They call them Blackheart and they call them Catcherman.
No, Jurian.
What you say?
Our kids never had a crush on one another. They look at each other as cousins.
They look at each other as family. Yep. No, they're not no crush on one
another. No crush.
They're my cousins. Yeah, no, it's not real. But we were so naive. Ask if we did damn fool and naive. We did crazy things. Everything they tell you, you believe it. But we were young, so we believe it. True, we believe anything, man. Me used to afraid I walk to school. Me say, Lord Jesus, no making black man catch me to backside, please. No making black man catch me. Man, I wait for walking. Them say if you walk in a group, you know, for walk alone. Cause more than like, you know, more likely if a black man catch you up by yourself. So me used to turn up and wait. And make a group how we walk together because I'm afraid of Blackheart, man. Glacier, big up yourself.
Glacier, big up.
Big up yourself. Yes, man, the things them tell you one time you pick me.
Right.
But me love my culture. Me wouldn't have it any other way. Me grow up and know better about me. But me can look back and laugh.
You can look back and laugh.
I laugh on a lot of things. Yeah, man. Because me not think gonna all play a ring game. And you play a ring game and you have all one cute boy. Because well, if I pick me away in a neighborhood, you know. So we used to play a ring game.
What kind of ring game? Explain the ring game. How it works.
Yeah, I think me that teach it to you one night, back when we do a vlog, man.
Oh.
And we used to play a ring game. All them sitting there. Fun, man. Fun. Just like your neighbor kids, them. And we are just big friends. Everybody are friends in the neighborhood. And we all get together. We play sightings.
We play
Stucky.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
We used to do that with the kids in the neighborhood. We used to play Willie Pug game together.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Like, your games, I know they're not nice like our games. Like,
I'm just saying, we still play games.
I know that.
Black man was a sex trafficker back then.
You understand? What do you guys play?
We played hide and seek. We played tag. We played kickball.
Oh, wow. Yeah, on not playing sightings with the empty juice box. Yeah.
No, we played dodgeball.
Pulling a pen, right, Marlene? Pulling a pen.
We played dodgeball, which was the same thing. We used an actual ball though.
Oh,
You have to fling it out to the other
need
person
the
trying.
real deal like we for make it hot.
Hopscotch. We played hopscotch.
The real
We
deal.
played
You need
double
a lick
dutch.
out of a juicy juice empty box was tough. You understand? Then you play some real sightings up in here. You understand?
Well,
you need
that's all
some
they did
jump rope. You understand?
We played jump rope.
Yeah.
I just told you we played double dutch.
Oh, double dutch. No, man.
That's two jump rope.
One jump rope for we. You understand? Yes. Riggle me this and riggle me that. That's right, Diane. Stuffed juice box. Right, Marley? You have to do it with the stuffed juice box, man.
Well, your culture and my culture is too different.
Well, obviously.
Well, like you played and you wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Just because I didn't play it, so I wouldn't know.
Dandy Shandy, 1, 2, 3, red light.
I played that
Love
too.
that. Yes,
Yep.
1, 2, 3, red light. Love
Yep.
that.
Simon
yes,
says.
But me forgot how it go. And say like chocolate's having a party, peeny weeny pan you, and this is the way she whiny pan you. What? Yes, man. Remember them? Chocolate juice box and beat down the four corner. Yes! Cause it lick hot, you know, man. And if somebody were flinging it, they was slap you with that, you know. Jesus Christ.
Jackson Marble. Never play that.
Jacks
They
and
played
marbles,
it, but I didn't.
yes.
I never got into
I
Jackson
didn't love
Marble.
jacks and marbles.
I never
too.
get into playing.
I didn't love jacks. Not so much the marbles. Jacks. Dolly House. Yes,
played
man.
Dolly House,
Queen of Dolly House.
Wanted
Yes.
to be the mother.
Yes, Queen of Dolly House.
London Bridge is falling down.
Girl and boy, go broke Crackstone, yes. Come we go Manuel Road, girl and boy. If we go broke Crackstone, girl and boy, broke them one by one. Broke them 2 by 2. Yeah, Jamaican childhood was the best back in them days there. Yeah, nowadays, some of the kids, them not kids no more. Yeah, well, we were kids. I don't have like a fantasizing thing. Never act out on it. But when it comes to the game, them, yeah. Yeah, man.
The place with tables and phone.
Exactly. And I get fair. You know, we were just outdoorsy and doing kids things. Yeah? For real. Real hot box drinks. Yeah, but I mean, things and times changes, you know, and they know, we don't stuck in them days the forever. You understand? Pop gun. But then they make all the pop gun with the apple thing, the purple thing from the apple tree. Yes? Remember, I have enough memory. Go bird bush and yes, we used to sit down and boil all of them jackfruit, seed them. Yeah. And eat them. And I thought we were poor when we have to climb tree and pick pick orange and pick custard apple and brock cane and eat. Those were our fast food. Those were our fast food. You know, you're hungry, you go pop a cane. Yeah, we're hungry, climb up in one tree and pick jelly. Or pick oranges and yes, all them big neighbor fruit orange, them mango. You know what I mean? Guinea.
Bush.
Yes, mango, guinea. I feel with fast food them there. Yes, could I eat like nobody business and not gain a ounce? Not a ounce.
And say those days was real full of fun.
Full of fun, man. Full of fun. Them are fruit here, no fruit. Them the amount of sinting them put in them your fruit here. You eat them by time them for process.
Then wholly
Go down in your system.
other food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Roast overnight
Run
dumpling. Yes. You know what I love same way? And no matter what, me I gonna love them food for the rest of my life. Me love boiled dumpling and you fry it over.
Yeah.
Me love that.
That's nice.
Yes, man. Me love boiled dumpling and you fry it over. Yes, love that.
They say the good old days.
The good old days. The good old days. No, the good days. We ain't old.
That's right.
We're not. Yeah, we're just mature. We're just adults and adulting. You know what I mean? Yeah. The good.
I don't know why the thing keeps going in and out of the light.
It is the light. We need a new
We need a new
ring
selfie light. Yeah.
ring light. It's
See, it keeps
acting
going
up.
in and out on the
Yeah, the selfie
yeah.
light acting up, and then it's super bright. And me
then
look
it
like
gets
me and
dull.
Vanilla almost the same color, which I'm way darker than Vanilla.
Yeah.
Somebody said compare yourself and me a bleach. Never.
Right.
I'm
Not happening.
anybody. People can do whatever they want to them skin, but I love the skin God put me in. Yeah, me no judge.
Nope.
Overnight dumpling and curry chicken back. I love it. Yes, man. Well, me not gonna sit down here and lie. Me go to Jamaica and try chicken back. I don't know if I wish I would cook it, but me never did like it. Yeah, but me willing to try again. Me go down there and get some curry chicken back. I never did like how it tastes. But me willing to try again. Maybe it was just that how it was prepared. Yeah. And from that me not eat it again. But me willing to try. Yes, me willing to try. Yeah.
Put restaurant in the long
Cartwheel dumpling and ackee. Oh yes, man. You got them. Oh man. I want to go to a river and go cook on the riverside. Not, when they cook a river, Who want to do a river trip?
You said there's a trick to cleaning and cooking it.
I guess
Sunshine
so.
clean, big up.
Sunshine clean, pick up yourself. I guess so. I want me to taste, me I like it. Just have this aftertaste to it.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, me I like it. Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm willing to try it again, and I like some. Oh, me think the chicken back not taste good no more. That was the time I try and me like it, and from that me
You didn't want interested in trying it again.
Yeah, me want to try it back again. Well, I'm sure if I cook it, you would love it. All right, me could go cook it. Then Anisia, we not can go a river go cook it. You know what I mean? We can go a river. We can totally do a river. You wanna go a river? You wanna come?
Of course.
Yeah.
But I know
you're
the chicken
down
back.
for everything.
We'll eat the dumpling, but me don't know about the chicken back. We'll eat the dumpling.
But if
with
you
the
never
curry
try
gravy.
it, so you're not gonna eat it if you never try it.
I said I'm not promising that I would eat it.
But
I will. I'll try it, and if I don't
you not
like
try
it,
not
I
if you
said
eat
if
it.
I try it and don't like it, then I'll just keep eating the dumpling with the curry gravy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Bush cooking nice. Yes, we can go fry some fish. We can do some chicken back. What else we can do a river? Me want go a river again. One more time in my life. You understand? Go do what me used to do when me live at Jamaica. Me want the experience that again.
One more time.
Yes.
But as an adult.
As an
an adult.
yes. And I want enough hours to go a river, put on pot, and we just cook and have fun. You understand? Even if I'm not going to the water, we just want to go to the river. Yeah? Run down, something. We're going to organize a trip. I could do the river thing, no man. Somebody reach out to me in a WhatsApp. I could make a river trip. You understand? I'm up for it. I'm up for it. I'm up for it. You can go with the Color Smith TV. What is that?
Color Smith TV.
What is that? What Color Smith TV? We don't know.
Cook crayfish soup.
Oh, we don't know. A lot
Fish
of people.
cook a bush.
It sounds like some vlog, but a lot of people we don't know. Like we said, we just stick to just a small group of people who watch. We don't know some of the people you talk about. Yeah. Cook some soft renta yam curry chicken. There you go. Anything. I'm down for it. I would love to go back to river. Any river. In a matter.
He is a vlogger.
Chocolate are two type of chicken back. The ear. And if the chicken back stale, me don't eat it. Probably a stale one me get. Because it never tastes good. It didn't have this aftertaste to it. And beat out the clothes on the rock. I'm not sure I'm going to do all of that. I don't know if I'm going to have no clothes to beat out on the rock. But I just know some want the river experience again. One day. In March, me and my family go to river in Portland. Wow, it was lovely. I love going to the river when we used to live in Jamaica. That's nice.
Glad you were able to enjoy yourself.
Yes. Glad you were able to enjoy yourself. But we remember the names them from this live tonight. And when we come back, we're going to we gonna pick out some people in this live. Yes, and have something for you guys.
Yep.
Have a blessed night.
Have a blessed night, kings and queens.
For coming to see about us.
Yes.
All right. Love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. And it was so much fun talking to you guys tonight. We're gone back all in a river. We're going to Kit and Blackheart, man. Well, me interview Vanilla. We sit down out here for long tonight, you know.
We sit out here for
Thank you so much for the stars. Who
Thank
was
you
that?
for the stars.
Let's see.
Paulette, thank you so much, Queen.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so tired. So, but me suffer through it. Yes, man. Me hold it like
Proud
a
of you.
G
You
tonight.
did. You
Yeah,
did.
man, me
You're proud
hold
of
it like
you.
a G.
Yeah, man. I'm proud of you.
And did it.
Laurel Murray, big up.
Big up on yourself
Slimaz,
here.
have a nice
You all
night.
got everybody here. You live in Florida. Got your tickets to go support the Shades of Pink. Anybody got their tickets already? Yes.
Tashi, big up yourself.
Tashi, big up yourself. Slimmers. BG, big up yourself. Venice. Big up yourself. Oh, Ventries, I'm sorry.
Andreen,
big up yourself. Anicia, Paulette Brown. Oh,
Anne
you love
Marie.
tonight? Oh,
Thank
we have
you
to
so
come
much.
chat more regular,
Yeah, man.
yeah? Yes. You have to come sit down and chat more often, huh? Yes.
Verona,
We'll try. We can't
Nat's
promise.
Bracelet,
Nat's Bracelet, big up yourself.
Marlene, big up. Ardette,
Verona, big up yourself.
Verona,
Marlene, big up
Katisha.
yourself. Ardette, big up yourself. It was lovely tonight talking about long time. Oh, thank you. Patricia, big up yourself.
Diane Hunter,
Diane Hunter. Got me dress, getting me ticket tomorrow.
All right,
Awesome.
Queen.
Have fun,
Have
Queen.
fun.
Have
Enjoy
fun.
yourself.
Enjoy yourself. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Marie
That's nice.
Stewart,
I'm
big up
happy.
yourself.
Big up yourself. Love you guys.
Anicia.
Love you guys. Big up on yourself. See you guys
Take care
soon.
of
You
yourself.
hear?
We'll see
Soon,
you guys.
real soon. Real
Yes.
soon.
Yep.
All right. Take
All
care.
right.
Have a
Bye,
good
guys.
night. Laurel Murray, big up
Laurel,
yourself.
Andreen.
Andreen
All
Reed.
right.
Nice show, Marlene. Thank you. All right, guys.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.